Good morning, students. Today we will start our chapter number 2, exercise 2.2. And your first question is you have to find the sum by suitable rearrangement. So what is rearrangement? You will not directly find the sum of the digit. First you will arrange your values, then you will find the sum. Now how you will arrange your values? You will check the digits where you get the maximum zeros. If I add 7 plus 8, I am getting 15. At unit place, I will get 5. You have to check the digit at unit place where you get 0. You have to make the pairs where you get the maximum zeros. Okay. So if I add 837 plus 208, I will add on the unit place. I will check. 7 plus 8 is 15. So this is not the suitable arrangement. Then I will check 7 and 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. I am getting 0. So this is your proper arrangement. So what I will do? I will make pair of these two digits. I will shift this 363 this side. Okay. I have only changed the place. This is called commutative property. Already I have made two videos on the integers, basic of integers. You will learn the concept of all the properties. You can watch that videos. Okay. Now plus this. 7 plus 3 10, 0, carry 1. 6 plus 3 9, carry 1 10, again 0, carry 1. 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 1 12. Okay. Then 208. See, after adding these digits, you are getting zeros. So this is the suitable rearrangement. Now add this. 1200 plus 208, you will get 1408. This is your answer. Same way you will arrange these values also. At unit place, this is 2. 2 plus 3 is 6, 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is not suitable pair. 2 plus 8 I am getting 10. So I will make pair of 1962 plus 1538. This is one pair. And 453 plus 647. You can see 3 plus 7, again you are getting 10. At unit place you are getting 0. So this is the suitable rearrangement. Now add this. 8 plus 2 10 0, carry 1. 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10 0, carry 1. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15, 5, carry 1, 1.3. I have added both the values. Now again check this. Add this. 3 plus 7 10 0, carry 1. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 1 10 0, carry 1. 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11. So 3500 plus 1100. When you add this, you will get 4600. This is your suitable rearrangement. Only you have to make pairs, then find the sum. Okay. If you add directly this digit by arranging in column, your answer you will get 4600, but method will be wrong. Okay. Now come on second question. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. Now you know what is product. The result of multiplication is called product. When you multiply any two number, for example 8 multiplied by 5, 8 5 is 40. So 40 is known as product. The result of multiplication of two values is known as product. So again you will not find the product by direct multiplying. You will find by suitable rearrangement. So how you will arrange? Same method. You have to make pairs where you get the maximum zeros. Okay. So what I will do here? I will make pair of 2 and 50. Why? Because I know that 250 is 100. So I am getting 0 0. Okay. 2 multiplied by 50 is 100. Multiply by 1768. And to multiply any value by 0, it is very easy. You will get direct answer 17680. I have multiplied 1768 by 100. Only you have to put at last two zeros. Again here 8 multiplied by 291 multiplied by 25. So 8 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 291. Because I know that if I multiply 291 by 8, I will not get 0 0. So I have made pair of these two values, 8 and 25. Now 25 8s are 200. See, you are getting 0 0. multiply by 291. Okay, you have 2 0, so I will first put 2 0. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, carry 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. This is your solution. Okay students, now I will explain two more questions. Question number E and F of same question. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. This is 285 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 60. See, if I multiply 285 by 5, 5 5s are 25. At unit place I am getting 5. So this is not suitable rearrangement. So I will multiply this two. 285, this 0 and 5 6 are 30. See, here you are getting 0. So this is a suitable rearrangement. Now multiply 285 by 300. So I have taken this 20 as it is. Now 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 8s are 24 plus 1 25, carry 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. This is your solution. This property makes your multiplication very easily. Easily you can get your answer. Now again 125 multiply by 40 multiply by 8 and multiply by 25. See, this is important question. How you will make pair in this question? Okay, here I will make 125 multiply by 8 and 40 multiply by 25. Okay, 125 multiply by 8. 8 5s are 40, carry 4. 8 2 is 16 plus 4 20, carry 2. 8 1 is 8 plus 2 10. Okay, so here you are getting maximum number of zeros. So this is the suitable rearrangement. Again 25 4s are 100 and this 0. So how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So your answer will be 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is your solution for this question. This is the suitable arrangement. Here also you will get 0, 40 multiplied by 8. But here you are getting the maximum zeros. So the place where you get the maximum zeros is the right suitable pair. Okay. So this is a suitable pair for your question. Okay students. Now question number 3. Find the value of the following. This question is very easy. Only you have to remember one thing. How you will solve this question? 297 multiplied by 17 plus 297 multiplied by 3. Okay, so what you will do here, see, first you will check which number is common. Okay, so here you can see 297 and 297 both are common. So first take your number, common number. Okay, then 17 plus 3. First I have taken these two common numbers, multiply by 17 plus 3. Okay, now 297 multiply by 17 plus 3 means 20. Now multiply 2 7s are 40, carry 1, 2 9 18 plus 1 19, carry 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 7s are 40, carry 1, 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19, carry 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. This is your solution. Again same question, first check which is common. So 81265, this and this number is common. So I have taken common. Multiply, if you don't write this multiplication sign, then also it's okay. So what is remaining now? 169. Here subtraction minus is there, so you will take minus. Now 81265 multiply by 169 minus 69, 100. And it is very easy to multiply any value by 100. 81265 multiply by 100, only you have to add 2 zeros. So this is your answer. Okay.